Let's go, Daniel Ann. And of course, a round of applause for the proud parents of Daniel Ann, Mommy and Daddy. Alright, Daniel Ann, I'll give you 20 seconds para rumampa ka na sa gitna at kumaway-kaway sa mga bisita mo for tonight. Universe. Oh, hello, Daniel. Do you like to say something to all your guests? She loved her friends forever. Wow, so sweet. And of course, Mommy, what do you want to say to all of your guests? Since I know all of them, they really did their best just to be part of this celebration.
Maraming salamat sa mga pumunta sa birthday ng anak ko, test namin. At nagpapasalamat rin kami sa cake, yung kapatid si Ate Monet, at ang ating kumpare na si Jan Chua, may event. At maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Mami, Lolo John, thank you sa lahat.
Thank you so much, Mommy. And of course, I would like to thank you for always making us your first choice. Dahil McDonald's po ang napili mo para maging part ng birthday party ni Daniel Ann. Once again, Daniel Ann, everyone. Palakpakan po natin siya. Thank you so much, Daniel Ann. Pwede ka na magpasalamat ng group to our better leader. Alright, once again, good evening everyone.